Hi viewers, welcome back. This is chapter 15. We are going to learn about managing Grub2 configurations. Some of the changes we can make in the Grub configurations while the system boot, what can be done. We can disable the SE Linux while the system boots up, or we can change the timeout value and some of the stuff. So we are going to see step by step what are the files we need to manage. Under boot/boot grub2, these are the grub files which will be used to boot up the machine. We don't want to touch anytime this configuration grub.conf. In any situation, we don't want to manually edit this file. Uh, Let me cat this file and put the more, and we can go through the file. Cat boot grub2 grub.conf 5 more. Here everything will be looks like shell script, and it will be used to boot up the machine. We don't want to make any configuration changes manually in this file. There is a set timeout is equal to 5 here, and we are going to in this demonstration purpose we are going to change the value from 5 to 20. We are going to change the timeout value from 5 to default is 5. We are going to make it as 20. Um, Under the boot grub2, the grub.conf file will be there. This file will be used to boot up the machine. The grub loader will load this file. If we need to modify any configuration, we can go inside cd etc default. Under etc default, there will be one grub file. It's a very simple file. We can change the values here. What are the configuration changes want to be done here. Under grub underscore timeout is equal to 5, I will make it as 20 later. And under etc grub.d, there are some of the files. Here also we can modify the configurations. But whenever we are making changes to these files, we need to write the changes to /boot grub2 slash grub.conf. So now the time we can see the automatically in system will start out automatically in 5 seconds. The timer value is 5, so I am going to change the time to 20 seconds now. I have rebooted my machine and I have shown the timeout value. Let me edit the etc default grub, and the timeout value want to be 20 seconds. 20 seconds. We can add more options in the following lines, but I am not going to modify any of the lines. Only for demonstration purpose I am showing the timeout value. The 20 can be it's also more. Just I am writing the file wq. Okay, now I have made the changes, but it won't write to the boot grub2 grub file. For making the changes, grub2 hyphen make config /etc grub slash sorry, we need to redirect the output to /boot grub2 grub. If I am not using the greater than symbol, redirection symbol, it will be print to the screen, it will not be saved. Instead of that, we need to use the greater than symbol to redirect the changes to the /boot grub2 grub. Okay, so I have shown the example of this. We must have to use the uh, redirection. The timer value is 20 now changed. Let me use grub2 hyphen config. I am redirecting to boot grub2 grub.conf. So it's writing, it's done. Now I am going to reboot the machine and I will show the timeout value. Before it was 5 seconds and it's counting down, and now it's 20 seconds and it's counting down 13, 12, 11. Once it reaches 0, it will boot the system. We don't want to make any changes here. We can make the timeout value from this grub menu also, but it will not be persistent. Now let us see how to boot the system into single user mode. For any recovery purpose we can use this. Highlight the first line, it's a kernel, and while the system boots grub menu, we get the grub menu, we need to choose the grub menu and press E to edit it. Come here and under the Linux 16, the grub menu, boot menu. Here we need to add the rescue target. So I am not adding any slash there, just it's coming automatically because the screen was small. Just I am adding systemd.unit is equal to rescue.target. Now once I press the Control X, the system will be booted into single user mode. Asking for the password, and I want to provide the root password. My root password is for test normal Red Hat. Let me check the run level. Its run level is running in 1. So if I want to boot into the multi-user, I can use the command systemctl isolate or multi-user, or for graphical I can use graphical.target. So I'm going to boot into the multi-user, systemctl isolate multi-user dot target, so that the machine will be booted into multi-target mode, fully command line. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel. We can meet in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.